Hi everybody, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the 2025 year-end results for ARC Resources that they just released to the market. So we'll start with the ugly news of guidance being completely pulled for 2026 on the Attachie property. This property was billed as the huge growth driver for the company that came online in late 2025 and early 2026 with results that have been variable and below expectation. So these Attachie problems have been occurring now for several months, and some investors may have been expecting some good news that the problem was getting ironed out. So how did the market react? The stock got absolutely hammered on Friday, losing about 10% by the close, even though Attachie is way less than 10% of ARC's production. So I think the market may have been really overly focused on Attachie, and I think that they missed a lot of the positive yearly and quarterly results that were in the news release. So the production of barrel of oil equivalent per day actually fell just below the guidance here at 374,336. So they just a slight miss from their bottom end of that guidance. And also their guidance for production for 2026 actually increased fairly significantly. So it's at 405,000 to 420,000 barrels of oil equivalent on the day. But I think the market just completely ignored this information. Also, the company reported record production for the fourth quarter, 408,382 barrels of oil equivalent on the day. This is a 10% increase in production per share compared to the fourth quarter of 2024. ARC also increased their PDP and 2P reserves by 15% and 9% respectively compared to 2024. They also upped the dividend by 11%, but the market didn't seem to care about anything other than Attachie, that the guidance was pulled, and they probably overreacted to the news as well. ARC is one of the best operators in the Canadian oil and gas space, and if anybody can figure out the problems at Attachie, it's going to be them. The stock could be held down here at around this $22, $23 level, but I do see the stock eventually rebounding. I do own shares in the company. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and make your own financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.